so I've had a lot of questions recently about Instagram Reels. Do you have questions? Are you ready to join? Well, I'm ready to answer and help you figure out how to create your first Instagram Reel. I am Michelle Gifford from IamMichelleGifford.com, where I help women grow their business online and make money. And so I'm glad that you're here because I'm going to walk you through the simple steps. It's simple. You can totally do this to create your first Instagram Reel, and also how to add music to it and how to add words and captions that pop in and out. You're going to be a pro by the end of this video. Let's do it. We're going to create an Insta Reel for you. So you just need to be on your Instagram. Then you're going to go to your home. You're going to click on the camera at the top, and then you'll have the option down here. Should get rid of that double chin. To do Insta Reels. So you should have these 4 options. Let's see, there you go, audio, speed, effects, and timer. If you do not have the audio option, then I've had a lot of people ask me about this, and what you need to do is I would make sure that your account is a business account or a creative account, and if it's one of those and it's not working, you can switch back and forth, or you can log out and log back in, or make sure that your app is updated, and that is going to give you some music. Okay, so right now you can click on music and you can search, but what if you heard someone on their reels and you liked it? Well, you can come over to their reel and you can see down here it has who it is. You can click on there and then you can see who it is. This is Joel Adams. Please don't go. So I'm going to go back to my thing. I'm going to create a reel. I am going to do audio, and I'm going to search for him, Joel Adams. Please don't go. There it is. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Now once that comes up, you can choose what part of the song that you want to use. I'm going to use this part because it just is the good snapping part. Okay, so I can choose done. Okay, once that's done, I can do a timer. And the cool thing about this is that you can do it in timed increments. So I can do 5 seconds of a video. So you see this happening with people like changing their outfit or changing different like locations or whatever. So when I push this, then it's going to count down, and then I'll have a minute. I'll have 5 seconds actually. Okay, so then I have those 5 seconds. I can come back down here and I can look at it, and I can either delete it or I can shorten it down here by sliding it this way, or I can say that was great and push this arrow forward. Okay, now I'm going to do it again. So I can make this timer longer and set timer, and I'll redo it. This is where I was like snapping in my other video. So it's going to count down, and then, okay, we are going to go through this whole process again until we get our video, and once the video is done, it'll stop. Okay, and I can accept it because that was the best ever, and I don't want to share it yet. I want to edit it with this. I'm going to add some text. So did you see that? You just click this text button at the top, this A right there. There it is. And once you do that, then you can type in whatever you want. Okay, then you're going to click up here. It'll put a box around it. You can change the box color. If you want to fill it in, you can do that. That looks crazy, but it's really not. Okay, then you're going to notice down here, this is where the important stuff happens. You're going to notice that this is highlighted. This is the who dis, okay? When it's highlighted, then I can scroll this way over like that, and only during, let's get this focused, only during that portion right here that it's highlighted will it have this thing show up, the who dis, okay? And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do oh hey. Okay, so now the oh hey is highlighted, and I can move it over this way and move it over this way, and now the oh hey will only be visible during that part, this part right here where it's highlighted. So then we go, it's Michelle. Okay, so now I'm going to come over here and it's Michelle's highlighted. And so now you're going to notice that when that happens, hold on a second. So you'll notice that that is transparent. It's there. There you go. That's when it shows up. Okay, let's watch that again. So who dis? That is not, that's happening. Oh, hey, it's Michelle is transparent. It's going to show up right there. So that's how you do it. When I get it how I like it, then I push this arrow down here. And then I push done. Let's see, arrow down here. Okay, then I'm going to write the caption, whatever I want the caption to be. Add hashtags. Then I can share or I can save it to draft. I hope that did not share it. So that is how you do an Instagram reel. If you do a draft and you save it here, you can come, did you see what I just did? You go to your thing and you go to your reels right here, and it'll have all of your drafts right here so that you can click on them and you can edit them, and you can post from here. So that's how you find them. So that is how you do your first Instagram reel. Tag me, I want to see you do it. Friends, that is how you make your first Instagram reel. If you do this, will you tag me? I would love to come cheer you on and watch you. And if you know a friend who needs this, who's been like, how in the world do I do this? Will you tag them or share this with them? You also might want to save this for later. So thank you so much for joining me. I am Michelle Gifford, and I like to help you grow your business. So I'm glad that you're here, and we'll see you next time.